Hi soulmate, for today's class I'll share with you how to cut an asymmetric neckline bustier pattern. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button. To draft your pattern, you're going to mark all your measurements: bust, underbust, waist and blouse length. Mark your shoulder divided by 2, then come down by 1 inch. Mark a basic neckline of 3 inches, then go ahead to place your ruler and you connect it to your shoulder slope this way. Next is to mark your armhole, which is your bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5. Whatever you have, place your ruler to draw a straight line. Now you're going to place your tape and mark back your shoulder divided by 2 again on the chest line. After you're done marking this, place your ruler, connect it all the way up. Place your tape and divide what you have here into 2. Come in by ½ inch, place your tape, mark your bust measurement divided by 4. Now, you're going to connect from the upper part to the midpoint, then connect it to your bust measurement divided by 4. After marking this, you will start by marking your nipple to nipple divided by 2 all the way to your desired blouse length. After marking this to your blouse length, all you have to do is to place your ruler and draw a straight line. Now, from your neckline to your shoulder, you divide it by 2 mark. Place your ruler to connect. Now, after connecting, you mark your dart intake of 1 inch on both sides for a smaller bust. For a bigger bust, you mark 1 inch at the center front and 2 inches by the side front. Now, place your ruler, go ahead to connect your pattern on both sides. Connect from the bust to the under bust and connect at the other side of your pattern. Now you want to go ahead to determine where you want the neckline to start. I'm going to start with 5 inches. If you're not okay with that, please readjust. Now what I'll do is to make a line at that point. I'm going to insert my dart intake. I'll be using 0.75 at both sides, or you can use ½ inch. Now I'm going to connect it at both sides of the pattern. After connecting at both sides, from that point I marked here, I will now connect to draw out my neckline. Now you're free to readjust your neckline if you're not okay with what you have. After marking, I will go ahead to outline. Insert our body measurement, place your tape and you mark your bust divided by 4 here, and you're going to mark. Then pick your dart intake here, replace it by the side, add your sewing allowance. You can use any sewing allowance of your choice. You mark your under bust measurement divided by 4, pick your dart, replace and add your sewing allowance. Now at the waistline, measure your waist measurement, divide it by 4, whatever you get, mark. Then you're going to replace this dart intake, then add your sewing allowance. I'm just mark your hip measurement at your blouse length, then you're going to also replace your sewing allowance, your dart intake, sorry, then add your sewing allowance. Now you're going to connect your pattern. Going to connect it from the upper part all the way to the hemline of your blouse. Now after you're done connecting this, go ahead to mark your bust dart. To get the bust dart is the difference between the shoulder to waist for the front and the shoulder to waist at the back. Now after you're done marking this, you want to come up by 1.5 inches here. Go ahead to connect, drawing out your hemline. So this is what I have at this part. What I'll do is to go ahead to use my marker to outline my pattern to make it more visible for you to see. After marking this, I'll go ahead to cut out. So if you have any questions so far, please kindly go ahead to ask or leave your question at the comment section. While cutting this, please blend in your bust dart to match up. And I'll go ahead to cut out the rest of this pattern. So after cutting out this pattern, let's cut out the back pattern. For the back pattern, I marked out all the basic measurements, the shoulder to bust, waistline, and blouse length. Next, you're going to mark your dart, and to mark your dart, you mark your nipple to nipple divided by 2. You're going to mark this from the upper part all the way to the lower part of your blouse. Place your tape and mark a straight line. After marking your straight line, you're going to mark 1/2 inch on both sides of your pattern. You're going to come down by 1 inch at your bust point, or from your bust point come down by 1 inch. I'll go ahead to label my pattern so that it won't be too confusing. Come down by 1 inch here, then I'm going to place my ruler, connect all the way to that point and connect to the other side. Now blend this out here, blend the other side. Let's insert our body measurement. At the bust, mark your bust measurement divided by 4. Add your sewing allowance. Here, mark your waist measurement divided by 4. Measure the dart intake you have here. Replace and add your sewing allowance. Mark your hip measurement divided by 4. Add your sewing allowance here. Now, what you do is to place your ruler to connect. After I'm done connecting, this is what I have. I'll come up by 1.5 inches. Just draw out any hemline of your choice. Come down by 1/2 inch here to avoid my lacing to pop up. Now all I'll do is to mark out the area for my lacing, which is about 1.5 to 2 inches or 2.5. It totally depends on what you want to use. I'll mark it out and then go ahead to cut out this pattern. So I won't be using the upper part of this pattern. I'll just make use of the lower part. So I'll go ahead to cut out the rest of my pattern. If you have any questions so far, please kindly go ahead to ask. Leave your question at the comment section.